For the quick lunch, you will need some red bird eye chili, some olives, some garlic, cauliflower, kale, some stir fry mix that has green lettuce, mushrooms, carrots, bean sprouts, some broccoli, some green onions, teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, quarter teaspoon of yellow mustard, half teaspoon of harissa paste, 1 teaspoon of mixed seeds, 1 teaspoon of mushroom ketchup. On a high flame, start stir frying all the veggies. Add a little bit of oyster sauce. Add some mixed herbs and sumac. Crack 1 egg and just mix it together. At this point, add rice. So your healthy lunch is ready to serve. Add some parmesan on top.